Did you know that you can schedule a text message to send at a later time on your Samsung Galaxy S24? This feature can be very useful, especially if you want to send a message at a specific time but might not be available to do so. Here's how it's done. Launch the Messages app. Tap the icon to create a new message. Enter the recipient's name or contact number. Now type in your message. After that, hold the send button for a couple of seconds. A window will pop up and it will allow you to set the date and time when the message will be sent. Make necessary changes, and once finished, tap Done. It will bring you back to the previous screen. Now tap Send. The message is now queued to be sent on the date and time you specified. Since it's technically not a conversation yet, it will be displayed at the bottom of the last message you have in your inbox. Since you cannot edit it, you need to delete it and schedule a new message if you made a mistake. To delete it, just hold the message and tap Delete at the bottom of the screen. And that's how you can schedule a text message on your Samsung Galaxy S24. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.